We combine humidity and heat and pressure, and so we put the waste in an actuator. Then we heat up the waste to about 250 degrees Celsius, and we put it under about 300 bar. And we let it rest for about 2 hours, and what happens in those 2 hours is that it carbonizes. And then the end product is pure carbon powder, and yeah, and the liquid that comes out you can use to give to your plants that they grow nice. It's a fertilizer, and yeah, it is a system. It needs electricity, but for the rest there is no smoke, there is no smell. Yeah, any pollution. So it's a nice clean system, and the end product is carbon, which you can use for fertilizer, for gardening. You can use it as fuel for creating electricity or something like that. So there is many options. That's the system that we have.
Is it any figure which we can just...
Yeah, anything.
Anything. That's the
We
nice
do
part.
we do
You
not
don't need to
need
split.
No.
No.
Anything.
Anything goes in together.
Burning, yeah?
It's not burning.
Burning.
There is no fire. Wait, I show you photo.
Basah pun bisa. Basah bisa turun gini. Bisa ini.
Kapasitas minimalnya
Kita bisa atur.
Ini plant
Bisa 50 ton.
sekarang
100
jual
ton.
baru.
Ya.
Ini 50 ton satu hari.
90.
Kalau ini 3 kali ini. But ini small plant, only demo.
Mulai operasional di Malaysia bulan Juni. Juni mulai operasional. Jadi kita bisa lihat demonya, kita bisa lihat bulan 6 atau bulan 7.
Siapa tuh?
Mama.
You can mine if you want to. You can mine. And do it. Make a photo.
Dia place.
Yeah, I know. Make a photo. I know for the plant we need only a small piece of land. There is not. There is plenty space here. That's not the problem. Plastic, no problem. No problem. No problem.
Semua sampah masuk.
Dirubah menjadi karbon.
Residue carbon.
Pure carbon, right?
Yeah.
So there is no
But this type of carbon of carbons, you don't need to separate anything.
Ada syarat minimum.
Maximum, there is no maximum. Minimum is about, this was 50 tons. I can build 25, but that's about